So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this railway station over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll just go into this view over here. Let's go into this view and let's create some more assets which are just left over here. So like this, the clock over here. So let's just take a line tool over here. I'll just go down, I'll just create a shape over here and go into this, enable in viewport, make it as rectangular. Let's give the shape over here in this way. I'll just shuffle it inside slightly, convert to poly. So again, what I'll do over here is like, I can go into this in this way. Let's give a swift loop over here. So I'll just take one swift loop in this way. Let's select the polygons. Let's give a bit of extrude over here in this way. Let's select this. Let's again give a swift loop, select the polygons, and let's extrude it in this way. So I'll just go over here, I'll just drag it in this way. I'll shuffle this a bit up over here in this way, and let's select the edges. Let's give some connect over here. So I can just give some connect over here. Let's just drag it up, push it up, so I can just give the shape in this way. Now so once it is done, just keep it in this way. We'll just keep this shape in this way. That's totally okay. I'll again go over here, view image file. I'll take this shape and let's create a cylinder. I'll just activate this auto grid over here. I'll on this, let's make it 90° over here and drag it. You can just go over here and increase its radius if needed, and increase the sides over here, push it up, reduce the height segments, convert to poly, select the polygons over here in this way. Let's give extrude. I'll just shuffle this up, press R and resize it. So just drag this up. Oops. Extrude it, click OK. resize it, and let's just push this up. So select this, again extrude it in this way, click OK. So select this again, extrude it, click OK, and isolate this. So just drag it in this way. So select this polygons. I can slightly give inset if needed. That's it. So I'll just save the file once. Again I'll go into the material and let's give a material over here. Alright, now after that we can just hang this till here. So we can use a chain if needed. So let's go into this. Let's take a tube over here, sorry, a torus. I'll just resize it and I'll go into this. I'll just reduce its sides. Let's select this and let's rotate it. Select this over here and let's duplicate it. So let's just duplicate it and let's make the copies over here. I'll just freeze this for a moment. Let's just duplicate it. So I'll just go over here and let's convert to editable poly. So these are very fine details. It's taking time because there are multiple things we need to take care over here. So it's going to take time. So select this and let's duplicate it again. And one more time, duplicate it. So I can just go over here. Let's attach it with this. Attach it with this. Let's take a line tool. Let's go over here. So I'm going to connect it over here as usual. So let's just connect this. So I'll off this enable in viewport and make it in this way. So select this. Let's just drag it over here, right over here. So select this part and let's go into the modifier, and we have a modifier called path deform, and let's click on pick path, move to path, and you can just align it accordingly. So you can see that you can define the stretch if needed, or we'll just keep it as it is. That's it. So if you want, you can just convert to poly later on. So now once this is done, we have few elements over here. Again, let's take a box, let's just save the file once. Auto grid, I'll activate this, unfreeze all. Let's take a box over here in this way. I'll just resize it. For the board over here, I'll just scale it. So convert to poly, select the vertices in this way. So let's select this. I'll just mirror it, copy it in y-axis. So let's just place it over here, and you can just duplicate it as required. Just save the file. Now again I'll go over here. So we need to create this dustbin as well, kind of a prop is there. So let's just take a reference over here. As you can see, we do have this wire section as well over here. We can change that as well. So I'll just resize it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.